In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura RDX key fob. This key fob was used on RDXs between 2010 and 2015, and inside we'll find one CR2032 battery. You can change your battery at home, it's really easy, shouldn't pay anyone else to do it, just follow along. First thing, remove this internal key, and now look to the keyhole where the key just came from. On the other side, there's this little slot that we are going to use to open this. You can take a coin or a flathead screwdriver and insert it in that area, right below the keyhole. And just insert it in, hold firmly, and twist, and you'll see it's starting to come apart there. Just gonna twist until you hear that pop and the two halves will come apart like that. Now I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver just to gently remove this battery. Get rid of the old one and get a new CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side is face up, just like that. Just gently click it into place till it sits down like that. Now just go ahead and reattach the two halves. Make sure everything clicks together and check. See the lights on, that means you did everything right and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like or comment down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.